Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Felix Art. This is the part 3. Okay, I'll show you what to do next. So guys, in the last video I used the hard airbrush with the flow airbrush to add some details, and when I was adding it, I opened a separate layer. Okay, I opened the separate layer, so you can see this is how it looks like. Okay, so guys, what I'm going to do next, I'm going to smudge the clothes. Okay, so like you just go back to this layer right here, then start smudging the clothes. So I'm going to take the flow back to 5%. So once you take the flow to 5%, then you start smudging. So now guys, once you're done, now I'm going to shade the eyes. Okay, I'm going to shade both the eyes. So I will go back to this layer right here. Just look for this layer, that's the eyes, this right here. So you just lock it. Then once you lock it, then you're going to use the flow airbrush. Then use the color black to add some shadows like this. Just add some shadows like this. Okay, so once you're done, then you can move to the other side. So this other side doesn't need that much. Okay, so we are going to stop there. So now we are going to see here in the reference, we need to add some details on the eyeball. So you can use your color picker to pick from the reference. Then you just go back here. Just go to this layer right here, then you just click the plus button to open a new layer. Then you can use your hard airbrush to add something like this. Add something like this. Then I'll just move right like this. Then add this color. Okay. Then add some white color like this. Just like that. Okay. Now you move to the other side, or if you want, you can duplicate you can go back to this layer right here. You can go back to this layer, just click on the layer, then you click duplicate. So once you click on transform, you can drag it like this, something like this. Then you can click on transform, then click distort, just to shape it like this. So once you're done, you can use your hard eraser to erase all these parts that you don't want. So now once you're done with this part, now I'm going to lock this here, that's the layer. So once you lock it, then you can use this tool. You can use your pen tool. I'm going to use my pen stamp pad. Then use the color picker to pick from this angle. You can pick from this side. Okay, I'm going to pick from this side. So we are going to put the color right here. Let me go back to this layer, then add this color. Okay, so now once you are done with that side, now what to do next, you just go back to this layer. Okay, then use your paint stamp pad, then reduce the opacity, just take it down to, let's say, 15, and you start drawing these lines like this. You can increase it a little bit and start drawing the hair. Start doing some shadings on the hair. Okay, then you move to the other side. Then you repeat the same process like this. So now once you are done with that part, then you can add this other side like this. So guys, you can see how I'm adding mine. Okay, so once you are done with this first part, then you can take the color up and start adding it like this. Then you move to the other side. Start adding some highlights. Now you're going to take the size like this, then start adding some highlights. So guys, once you are done, once yours is like this, okay, so once yours is like this, then you are going to use your smudge brush. Just take the flow to 13%, start with some smudge. So now guys, once you are done with it, we're just going to smudge some part like this. Okay, now guys, I'm still going to add some hairlines over here, then this side too. So what I'm just going to do is that I'm going to go back to this tool, then use this color, and start doing the other side of the hair. So now guys, once you're done, then you can use your smudge brush. You can take your smudge brush to 20%. Start doing some things like this. So now guys, you can use the tool again, your pen tamperd. Reduce the size like this, then increase the light, increase the highlight color, then you can add something like this. You can also add here. You can see that I adjust the color just to add some highlights. Now guys, once you're done, then I'm going to use the flow airbrush, then add the final detailing like this. Just like that. Then once Then once you add it, then you're going to use the same flow airbrush, then use the black color. You add like this, add like this. So now you are going to use the smudge brush to take care okay. Then use the flow brush to add some color here again. Then if you want, you can still drag some lines here. Okay, now I will go back to this side again, then make here a little bit dark. Do the same thing here and here again. So now we are going to move to this other side. We are going to move down here. I'm going to move down to this particular place. So I'll use the color picker to pick from this color. Then use the paint tamperd. Then start doing some hairlines. Then you can switch to, you can increase the color lights. Then use your smudge brush to blend like this. Okay, you can see. So once you are done with that, then you can use your flow airbrush, use your black color to add this effect. Then you can still add some detailing. Just going to decrease the size. Then you add some hairlines. So once you're done with that, then you can use your smudge brush to blend. Just like that. Then I'm going to add some detailing on the face. So I'll go back to this side. Just go back to this layer right here. Then click the plus button to create a new layer. Now I'm going to use this color. Then we are going to use this tool. Dotted tool. But first we are going to use a white color. Just go to your copy color, then use A50. Then we are going to add something like this. Okay, so once you are done with it, then just switch back to this color right here, or this one. Then reduce the opacity, then add something like this. Okay, so once you're done, you can still switch over to this tool. You can use this tool. I'm going to use sparkle. then take it to white color and start adding something like this. Then if you want, you can see add some pink color. So I'll just move over to this side right here, then use my flow airbrush, then go back to the copy color, go back to pink, then this arrow 43, you can add some pink color to the cheek side. Just add a little bit of pink. I'm going to use the soft eraser to erase all these parts. So now guys, we are still going to add some little details on here. Okay, I'll go back to this layer right here, then use the flow airbrush, then look for, so I'm going to use E21, use your hard airbrush, add some details. So just like this, then use your smudge brush, start blending. So guys, you can see that this one doesn't look that good, but I will show you what to do next. So now what to do next is to use your soft eraser. Just use your soft eraser to erase it like this, so that it won't flow that much. Then use your smudge brush to do some blending over there. Then I'm going to add some details here again. Then use a smudge brush to blend. So now guys, once you're done, now we are going to add some color to the earring. So at this point I'll just create a new layer, then use any color I want. I can use let's say I'm going to use gold, that is Y38. So I'm going to color it like this. So now guys, once you're done, just close this layer right here. That's the earring. Just lock the layer. So once you just lock it, you can start adding some details like that. Then put some white colors like this. So once you're done, you can use your smudge brush to blend. So just like that, and there you have it. That's how to smudge your picture without using Remini app. So guys, I'm going to add some background. Okay, so I'm just going to use this color picker to pick from this reference background. You guys, any background you will like, but I'm going to pick from this here and reduce the background down. So I'm going to close this layer, then go over to this background, then add color like this. Okay, then add some shadows. Just use your flow airbrush and some shadows like this. And there you have it. So guys, this is how to smudge your picture without using Remini app. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.